Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain AVANT Financial App Review to see if it's worth using. The AVANT mobile app is designed to help users manage their personal loan and credit card conveniently. Through the app, users can schedule or cancel payment, build transaction history, and manage payment method. The platform caters to individuals with fair to poor credit, offering a personal loan ranging from $2,000 to $35,000 with a repayment terms between 24 to 60 months. While the application process is straightforward and funds can be disbursed quickly, often by the next day, it's important to note that interest rates can be high, with APRs ranging from 9.95% to 35.99%. Additionally, an origination fee of up to 9.99% may be deducted from the loan amount. The AVANT app is useful tools for borrowers seeking quick access to funds and straightforward loan management, especially for those with a less than perfect credit. However, potential users should be careful, consider the high interest rate and fee associated with advanced loan. It's advisable to compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you are getting the most favorable terms for financial solution. And that's it.